Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The Billion DERBUS 2026, a 12 by 12 Super Duty high-performance expedition vehicle, is a conceptual introduction that marks a first for off-road capability and extreme mobile luxury. A hyper-exclusive, custom-engineered castle on wheels, this is not just a motorhome. It is made for a customer that has no boundaries when it comes to adventure and money. The moniker Billion DERBUS itself is an ode to its ultra-exclusive status and the boundless resources that went into its creation. This giant is built on a groundbreaking 12 by 12 Super Duty chassis, a feat of contemporary engineering that offers enormous payload capacity and six-wheel drive capability. From deep, impenetrable jungles to the harshest desert dunes, this special arrangement guarantees that the vehicle can traverse almost any terrain while retaining an unwavering degree of stability and control. A specially designed, high-performance engine, likely a hybridized diesel-electric powertrain, tuned for both enormous torque and unexpected economy, will power this enormous machine. Beyond only power, the high-performance feature includes an advanced, active suspension system that can dynamically adapt to the terrain in real time, offering a smooth magic carpet ride even over the roughest terrain. The DERBUS 2020 SIXS exterior design would seamlessly combine premium vehicle looks with military-grade toughness. Advanced, lightweight, and very strong materials would be used to build its body. For further security, ballistic protection would be incorporated. Huge, panoramic windows that use smart glass technology for dimming and privacy would provide stunning views without sacrificing security. With an integrated, automated utility system that includes a heliport, satellite communication arrays, a drone launch pad, a powerful winch, and other features, the vehicle would be built for total self-sufficiency and make sure its occupants are ready for anything. The Billion DERBUS's inside, which was entirely constructed to the owner's requirements, would be a monument to tailored luxury. It would resemble a mobile megayacht rather than an RV. The world's most prestigious vendors would provide the materials, which would include genuine gold or platinum embellishments, exotic wood veneers, and hand-stitched leathers. A multi-story floor plan with a grand salon with a cutting-edge entertainment system, a professional kitchen with a personal chef on duty, and a master suite with a full-sized bed and a spa-like en-suite bathroom could all be part of the design. Other specialized spaces might be added, such as secure vault, a wine cellar, or a private movie theater. The foundation of the DERBUS would be technological integration. Every aspect of the car, including navigation, communication, security, and climate, would be controlled by a central command system run by a custom artificial intelligence. The Billion DERBUS 2026 is a declaration of the highest luxury and freedom, a mobile palace for the contemporary traveler who demands to see the world without having to give up the conveniences of a billionaire's existence.